Hi, my name is Daniel Toon. I will introduce you a little bit about vegetarian diet. During this speech, I will discuss a little bit what's vegetarian diet and the alternative to meat and the advantage and the disadvantage of being vegetarian diet. Uh, uh, how many animal you can save by being a vegetarian diet? I will leave that answer to you. You can answer yourself. Uh, I will continue. A vegetarian diet focused on a plant-based product or food. Um, this include fruits, vegetables, uh, seeds, uh, grains, those all kinds products are called vegetarian, except dairy or meat, those kind uh, a vegetarian diet. Uh, by being a vegetarian diet, it's not guaranteed you can lose a weight uh, because there is there is some vegetables has high proteins. You can avoid all if depend on how you use it. It's still how you use it depend on how you use it. Uh, why people they become a vegetarian diet or the same as like junk food. People they avoid in the vegetarian too. There is another high protein food you can avoid if you want to lose it weight basically. Uh, Vegetarian diet uh, is fall in three parts. That's is more than three parts, but it's their main three parts. One is lacto, the other is ovo, the third one is vegan. Lacto, uh, they don't eat all type of animal product except uh, dairy. When we call dairy, uh, they do drink milk. They do use any thing came out from milk like butter, cheese, stuff. They use it, but still they don't eat meat. Second, the second one is ovo. Ovo vegetarian. They use every kind of meat, and I mean they don't use every kind of meat. They avoid it except egg. They only take egg. Ovo vegetarian diet people. They only from animal product. They only use egg. Vegan they reject all kind of come from uh, animals, including eggs, including uh, meat, any type of come out from animal product. They don't use it, vegans. Uh, so there is a risk also. You can see um, if you don't eat, how you gonna get high protein, carbohydrate stuff. But still, there is alternative to meat. On that alternative to meat, there is always we have to search it. We have to maintain our healthy. Uh, we have to eat carbohydrate snacks stuff. That's alternative to the meat. That is which uh, alternative source proteins is beans, like kidney beans, like chickpea, lentils, and more, even like nuts, soys, and the low fat dairy stuff. Those kind as alternative to the meat. Uh, what's the advantage? Uh, for what's the advantage being a vegetarian diet? The main advantage is being healthy. Second is respecting other people's religions. Some country or some religions they don't eat animals; they worship as a god, like Hinduism. Uh, Seventh Day Adventists also they don't eat meat product. Those kind religions also need to be respected. That's why, yeah. Most American they become a vegetarian since vegetarian people less to be get disease or cancer stuff. Uh, yeah. Again, the disadvantage of vegetarian also another mostly for kids and the pregnant women, they got deficiency leading. Those kind they can maintain by having exactly what's kind protein. In this discussion, we already discussed about uh, explain about advantage and disadvantage of vegetarian. This is about healthy also. This is it for this discussion. Thank you very much.